Hey, what's up? What's up? So it is Friday. Whoa, the 13th. Okay, then. But all in all, this week has been a good week. So we're not gonna go off that superstition. All right. First and foremost, what we're gonna go over is I know you looked at the title is how to grow, a small forex account fast. But what I'm gonna tell you is that we're gonna go over the fastest way to me possible um to the fastest way possible to safely go over your account, grow your account. I know you guys probably look online, a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of things. I probably talk to people in the trading space of, you see them flipping accounts, you see them uh, um, growing their accounts super fast, but what they don't tell you sometimes is how many times that they have blown their account, or how much they, yeah, pretty much how many times they've blown their account before they actually went that route. All right. So what I'm saying with me is we'll get into that in a second. I'm gonna give you a good breakdown of it. Is we're gonna dive into the strategies and some things and hints and tips, not hints, tips to help you grow your account. Um, but first and foremost, we're gonna talk about the common struggles that a lot of traders face when when they're trying to achieve these goals. All right, one of the biggest obstacles is a lack of your strategy. You're brand new to the game. Myself, I've been in about 6 years. Um, I lost a lot of money because I came in thinking, oh, I can buy low, sell high. I seen some stuff on the stock market, but I am trading forex, and now I trade futures a little bit. But what I've seen through blowing the accounts, and a lot of people say, man, well, I ain't got a lot of money to trade the daily. I can't trade the daily. I don't have a lot of money. Okay, well, if you don't have the right amount of capital, which is not a lot, if you own a offshore broker, you can have $100 and trade the longer time frame. You just trade with a 0-1 lot, all right, and go from there. Now, if you only have $10 to your name, you probably should stay on demo until you can afford to have a little bit more money to trade with. Um, but if you're trading with your last, I would say no. I would say just practice on demo, keep your last money, because that is very risky to have your last amount of money and put it in the market, and then you lose it. Now you stuck with no money. All right. So one of the biggest obstacles, like I said, is a lack of strategy. Many of us jump into the market without a clear plan. All right, hoping to get lucky or relying on gut instinct, and that can happen sometimes. You might rely on your gut instinct. You got to be right. Even the clock is right once. What's the saying? Even the clock is right one time a day. You know what I'm saying? All right. I think that's how that went. If I messed that up, put down in the comments what the actual saying is. All right. But the approach rarely ends well. I'm gonna tell you that for a fact that I know from me personally, just going off a gut feeling, I lose more than I win. But it's a surefire way to blow your account. Now that I can say I've done as well. All right. Another common struggle is the fear of risk. Many traders, they are terrified of taking losing trades. They don't want to. We want to be right. We're human. We always want to be right. You know what I'm saying? But here's the analogy I use. You risk $5, $10, $20. You don't want to lose $20, but you go to the corner store, or you go right up the road and go buy a bag of chips, some soda, or go to Kroger's, or go wherever grocery store you at around HEB. All right. Uh, but you go, or go out to eat. Let me say this. I ain't gonna say groceries, because groceries is a necessity. But I'm gonna say you go out to eat at one of your favorite restaurants, and you blow $300 on some money that on an investment that you're not gonna get the money back, because it's really not an investment. You get what I'm saying? But you're scared to lose $100 with trading, but you go blow $300 on a restaurant that you're not gonna get back, and you're not gonna be able to eat the food more than once or more than twice if you take leftovers. All right. And but again, that's the fear of risk. You're terrified of taking trades. So either you don't trade at all, or you risk too small of a lot. Risk too little, which means it end up being significant, and you cap your potential gains. And the fear and that fear sometimes is understandable, but it's also a major hindrance to your growth. I mean, if you're not willing to take calculated risk, then how are you ever going to expect uh, uh, significant returns? You get what I'm saying? All right. And this fear often leads to what? I've said it before, and if I know you've heard it before, you've been trading or you're beginner, you probably heard it a lot so far with the videos you watch. Analysis paralysis. All right, where traders overthink every trade, try to eliminate the uncertainty, but the truth is uncertainty is everywhere in this part of the trading. You can eliminate the risk, but completely, you can't eliminate the risk completely, but you can manage it. All right. I did 24 years in the military, and I can tell you this is risk management is very key in the military. All right, we have something that we use called composite risk management. Before we write all the potential risks down, and then we have our other section where we write something down to mitigate those risks. All right, and at the end of the training session or the training event, we have something called after action review, where we review on what we did right and what we want to keep and what we did wrong and things and ways we can fix it. All right. Same thing as a trading plan. All right. If you here's my 2 cents on it. If you have a losing trade, all right, you screenshot it, put it in your PowerPoint journal, write down what you didn't do. All right. I didn't follow my trading plan. I got too greedy. I would the trade went my way, but I got stopped out because of I got stopped out because what's the word I'm looking for? Of my leverage was too high. All right. So like I said, but the truth is uncertainty is an inherent part of trading. You can't eliminate all the risk, but you can manage it. That's why, and that's what we're going to discuss here shortly. And that's why I say the daily time frame is king, especially for a new trader, because the daily time frame moves slow enough. Matter of fact, real slow, 24-hour candles, for you to be able to analyze the market and have a good and learn good price action. Learn good price action. Learn support and resistance. Okay, you get what I'm saying? But so how can you overcome these common strategies and grow your small account? All right. One key strategy, again, write this down: risk management. This means having a clear understanding of your risk tolerance and using proper position sizings. Using stop loss management. All right. I trade 1-to-1s because I trade more than one pair. I got over 30 pairs I look for. All right. And I've had people in my YouTube comments say, well, you're never going to win. You have 1-to-1. That's a stupid strategy. But if I listen to them and I didn't practice, I'd still be at day one. You have to get disciplined with this. You have to get disciplined with this. All right. Follow your trading plan. Write it down. Have it on the desk next to you. Have it on your screens if you got more than one screen. Don't enter the market don't enter the market unless all those parameters are met. You get what I'm saying? Just like driving a car. All right. You get to an intersection, you have to look left, you have to look right. All right. And when left and right is clear, you can take your left turn if you're trying to make a left turn. Get what I'm saying? Versus you get to the intersection. All right, this side is clear for me to make the left turn, but the right side not clear. That's a car coming. You don't follow that trading plan, you get into traffic, boom, you get hit because you didn't follow your driving plan. Same thing as your trading plan. You get in the market, all parameters are not met. All right, boom, you get hit. I mean, you know what I'm saying? All parameters are met. Good percentage, you're going to make that left turn without getting hit. Get what I'm saying? All right. For example, if you focus on proper risk management, you'll be less worried about individual losses and more focused on overall performance of your account. You can lose one time or several times and still be in profit in your account. You get what I'm saying? The mindset shift, this mindset shift takes the pressure off and allows you to trade more objectively. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to let me see, where's my PowerPoint? Boom. All right. We're going to go to, this is, if you look at CAD JPY, all right, 2 candle highs for the sell. All right. 1, 2, see the green arrows? Use the ATR to figure out your stop loss and TP and SL, stop loss and take profit. All right. CAD JPY was very strong so far this month. 2 candle highs, consecutive bearish candles. Grasp it. Once you see these, I can almost guarantee, not with 100%, I can almost guarantee the more you see these, the more you be able to identify them when you scroll over a pair. Oh, got one. Let me mark it up. Now let me look at support and resistance. Let me look at the overall trend on the weekly time frame. Get what I'm saying? All right. Boom, look at that. What I've noticed, what I've seen, and correct me if I'm wrong, when markets move the way they need to move, and you take your time and study, these things become more clear to you. Okay. All right. So let's go to my other handy dandy screen. And boom. All right. So I don't know. I always put this out in the group. All right. I do free. I do free training at least once a week. But I also put out a lot of free game. I put out a lot of free game. I put out a lot of free game. I put out a lot of free game. All right. But for some reason, if you don't get or understand the free game that I'm giving out, all right, you can go do my one-on-one courses. All right. I do 10 minutes. They're free, real quick and precise. I do my 30 minutes, and then I have my 45-minute deal package. All right. Going off of that, trust me, the reason why I do this is because I do have another business. I run a martial arts school. I do work out twice a day. I also have a family. I got events with that. I'm picking up refereeing now because I want to referee basketball. So that's why I trade the daily time frame a lot, because that gives me time to do other things. But if you decide to take my time, the link is in the bottom. It'll be in the description. All right. Here's my one-on-one sessions. All right. And also make sure you screenshot this. This is my daily chart trading strategy. All right. Pretty plain and simple. See how much free game I'll be giving y'all? All right. And also my Telegram group. See, I just put this out of my Telegram group. Look at that. This so far the pip count. USD right here. All right, 146. All right, and let me bring this up for you. Let me see if the banner comes up. If you look right here, all right, that's my Telegram group. All right, make sure you stop it and screenshot that. All right, as you can see, I right here, and then we also have a chat where people talk in the chat. All right, let's go away from that. All right, now let's bring up the chart. All right, again, this is the indicators that you need. These are the only indicators you need. Type in SMA. Go up here on TradingView. If you're on TradingView, the indicators. Simple moving average by stocks and bonds. All right, that's the first one. The second one is ATR. Go to technicals, average true range. All right, once you go down here, we're going to do the ATR first. All right. 5, SMA chart, wait for time frame to close. Pretty simple. The ATR. Average true range tells you the average range of that candle that you're sitting on. Go to SMA. A lot of these things going to come up. All right. Only one you need is the SMA 1, 20. All right. Click on the color, whatever color you want. Go to the thickness of it. Boom. All right. Here we go. This is the September trading month. All right. You see my first candle. All right. What you don't want. All right. This is touching the SMA. All right. Let me get rid of this. Here's the next one. All right. Now, if you look, we scroll right here, and I think my thing is under it, but right here, it says 147 pips. We're going to do 150 to give it some room to breathe. Get what I'm saying? All right. Enter the market. And this is just back testing. So we enter the market right here. All right. And this was the 6th of September, 2024. Daily time frames take a few days to play out. I've seen some days it takes 3 days. Some days it takes the next day. Some days it takes 7 days. Anything over 7 days to me is a position. And I'm out of the market by then. All right. Boom. 150 pips. On the buy, let's look at this. Sell. 2 candle highs. Buy. 2 candle lows. All right. If you've been following this channel for a little while and this trading strategy, put a comment down below. And if this is your first time and you just now finding out about my strategy that I use, pressing FX strategy, all right, pretty strategy. What I did is I got it from a guy of NetPicks, and I just tweaked it the way it worked for me. All right, and also make sure you hit the like button if you like the content so far, and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell for notifications so that way you can be notified every time I drop some new content on the same beat it dead horse. I don't know if I can say that, but on the same strategy that I use every single week, every single day. I'm not going to change the trading strategy. I found something that works. So if you find that it works for you, don't switch your trading strategy if you're trying to be profitable. All right. Consecutive candles. It should not touch. It should not touch the SMA. All right. Let's go to the next one. All right. Now, if you look right here on the SMA, I mean the ATR says 166. All right. And from right here, look, 16. Oh, no. Oops, I messed that up. Well. On a daily time frame, this strategy clear cut is day. Now, I can say this. There's something called Forex Screener. If you go down to JP, let's go. USD JPY. Go to the month. That's neutral. Go to weekly, strong sell. Strong sell. That's a B plus setup in my eyes. We're not trading the monthly. We're not trading the weekly. If we're trading the daily, we look at the weekly. If we trade in the weekly, we look at the monthly. All right, and so on and so forth. All right. Let's go to the next one. Did we do CAD? Yep. Here we go. Look at this. Broke through and nope. And broke through. That's a buy candle. Nope. Look at that. What do you know? Broke the SMA on the 2 candle highs of a buy. Well, why is it the 2 candle high? It's going down. It's the high of this SMA. This is the low. Just like on a buy. 2 candle lows, at the highs. Let's not make it complicated, ladies and gents. All right. 1, 2. What does it say on the ATR? 146. So I rounded up on that one. That was just me. 146. I didn't like it. All right. Like on the other one, it was 166 pips. You could have rounded up to 170 just to be on the safe side. And look at this. On September 9th is when we got in. All right. So this trade took 3 days. 3 days. All right. Let me show you something else. Get out of it. Change to Heikin-Ashi, and you can stay in longer. You can get a 1 to 5. You can get a 1 to 2 or 1 to, whatever you want to do. I said 1 to 5. That's pretty far. But a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. You get what I'm saying? Don't get out the trade until you see a green candle. All right. Pretty much plain and simple, guys. Plain and simple. All right. And then if you look right here, I have all my currency pairs, 33 currency pairs. You can pretty much go through all these and see, once you get, good at the strategy, seeing it, I want you to back test. All right. Back test. And I just go down. I just look at that. Look at that. I just go down. All right. Nothing here. All right. Nothing here. All right. And the reason why I didn't trade this, because look at this candle. That's a 185 pip candle. I'm not trading that. All right. Look how far this is from the SMA. From the SMA. Let's go right here. 200 pips. So you think I'm about to take a trade all the way up here? No, you got to wait for a retest. No. And look at this. These are not impulse candles. It's not telling me nothing. See what I'm saying? Think, have some common sense. Look at that. Nothing. Look at that. Now, you could have took this trade, but this was definitely a C trade, not an A plus. If you look right here and nothing right here, but this invalidated the trade. Bam. That's why I left that alone. It went down. It was a JPY pair. Like they was just moving this month. Look at that. Nothing. Nothing. Not yet. We still waiting for a good setup. All right. Nothing. All right. Now this could potentially be one right here. All right. If we looking at this, it retraced. You know, it came back below. Now next week on Monday, what I'll look for, and this is a GNZD. What I'll do is on the monthly, what do you know? Strong buy, weekly, strong buy, daily, strong buy. So this is what I might do. All right, what I might do. All right, I might go to the weekly, look at support and resistance zones. All right, as you can see right here, I wasn't gonna take no trade till it came underneath there at least. All right. If you look right here, here's another support zone right here. All right, let me get rid of this. I don't know why I did that. That's it there. All right. It could potentially go back up here. We have another candle. That's 178 pips. It's coming towards the middle of the month. I'm gonna tell you on a daily time frame. That's where we start cooking. That's where we start getting our money, baby. That's where we start getting it. All right. We waited all month. We waited all month, baby. We about to get paid. All right. Let me move this over to my setups. Let me move this over to my potential setups while I was doing this. Get out of this. All right. Potentially, boom, right there. We just need one more candle. Let's move over to the next one. Nothing, shalala. All right, nothing. It's all good, because guess what? We already got 300, almost 400 pips for the month. We about to get up. We about to cash out again with another pip, with some more pips. All right. So with this one, AUD JPY, this was a nice push candle, but this right here, and this another push candle. But the reason why I didn't take this trade is because of that one. So moving on. And here we go. And the reason why you might see, well, I saw a setup on the one beforehand. The reason why is because if I look at my, and let's pull this up. Let's pull this up. I have a chart that I gave out to my group, right? A Google Sheets. What I do is I update this twice a week, probably on Sunday and on Wednesday. All right, on Sunday and on Wednesday. And if I look at here and I see, you know, buy neutral, that's C plus setup. I don't want that. I might keep an eye on the pair. If I have strong sell, buy, time frames don't match, I might hit no. But then look, if you look, strong sell, neutral, B plus setup. All right, the trade played out. All right, and that's another thing I look at. I look at the Forex screener. Now, if anybody in here knows how to program, hit me up. Hit me up. I want to try to make this automated, so that way I don't have to, and connect this, so that way I don't have to do this manual every single time. Moving on. All right, this was one of the trades we had. Pretty clear and precise. And we missed this. Is another one we missed too. Reason being, we had a nice push, but this would negated our trade right here. So moving on. And this was a nice one. If you look, boom, negated the trade and had that one. So moving on. All right, look at that. USD JPY, boom, two candle lows. I mean, two candle highs for the sale. Nothing. This was, yeah, we missed this one too. All right. But I don't like doing pullbacks sometimes, but we missed this one too, but I saw it. All right. And nothing. And well, oh, that's gold. The reason why I'm gonna tell you this, I follow gold. I follow gold just to see what everybody's talking about. But if you zoom out, right, it's at an all-time high. And this is way back in 2004. All right, at an all-time high. All right, if you look right here, boom. All right, and then you look right, right here. Now you're at all-time high. I'm not taking this. You go down to the daily. I'm not taking this with 1, 2, 3, 4, broke through, finally, boom, on in March. I'm not taking this trade at all. Somebody in the group asked me, what about gold? What do you think about it? What about it? We trade enough Forex pairs and enough indices that why are we messing around? Why are we messing around with gold? Now, if you trade gold, do your thing. All right. Next, that's silver. All right. All right. So silver has a little room to move. It's not at an all-time high yet. All right. Silver has a little room to move. You see, this was the next high. All right. But at the same time, all right, here is, if this closes right here, here's one. All right. Here's a nice little price support, and it broke through this price right here. It broke through 31.96. All right. We could see this thing push up towards right here for the end of the month. We could. Potential. All right. Let's move that to over here. Let me make sure I'm set up. There you go. US 30. Let's see. Okay. Is this at an all-time high? I don't mess with all-time high, guys. I'm sorry. Yep. Cancel. Next one. Cancel. Next one. Yep. CFDs, they all at an all-time high right now. Cancel. Next one. All right. Hope you understand what's going on that. So far, all right. So far, this is a nice little rejection. All right. And let's just see if this played out right here. Where did it play out at? Oh, went back to the golden zone. All right, 6180. Potentially could be going up. We might see a nice little setup back up to the upside. All right. So put that in your pipe and smoke it. All right. Right here. All right. Nice little pull back, breakthrough. But I'm gonna be honest, I might not take silver. So let's take this off the list, because simple fact is I don't like trading silver or gold. I have enough indices, and I have enough indices and enough Forex pairs. All right. I hope you understood the strategy. Again, so you don't have to go back and look at this again. Make sure you screenshot this. All right. Make sure you screenshot that. All right. And my biggest thing is this. Let me take this off. All right. 1 second. All right. Hope you understood. Hope you understood what we went over today. All right. So to recap, we discussed a strategy that you can use on the daily time frame. All right. Why is this going back? There you go. I'm sorry. All right. That you can use on the daily time frame. All right. With the right currency pairs. I gave you 33 examples of which you can use on the daily time frame. We also talk about the importance of discipline and continuous learning in Forex trading. Remember, it's not just about the strategy, but it's also about the mindset, the habits that support them. All right. If you're a Forex trader, especially with a small account, I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. Share your experiences, your struggles, your successes. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more Forex content, tips, and strategies on the same strategy. All right. Give yourself a round of applause if you've been following me. Other than that, I hope you guys have had a blessed, profitable week. All right. Make sure you join the Telegram group, and I'll see you next week again. All right. Have a blessed weekend. Have some fun. Get away from the charts. Study, but go have fun. Life is too short.